everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to paint a butterfly. For the butterfly I'm painting, you'll need black, white, blue, red, and a lot of yellow paint. First, pick your medium. This can be anything from wood to stone to a canvas. Then you can start to sketch your butterfly. After that, you can start painting the body. Remember, every detail counts. Then, put a base color down for the wings. Add as many layers as needed. The lighter your color is, the more layers you'll have to put down. After I'm happy with the opacity of my base layer, I start sketching the wing veins. When tracing the wing veins, it is very helpful to use a fine-tip Sharpie. When the wing vein tracing is finished, I start adding the small details to the butterfly's wings. Start with thick, defined details. Now I'm adding the stripes to my tiger swallowtail's wings. After adding the details to the wings, go back with a frayed brush and blend those details into the wings, giving them a realistic effect. Now for one of the last steps, go back and add any extra touches you need to add to the butterfly's wings. That includes brightly colored spots, lines, or dashes.